Now then, hang on to them hats and glasses, 'cause this here's the wildest ride in the wilderness.
Station, there's a frightened, trembling man. His body's weak and feeble and his skin has lost its tan. When I asked him for a ticket, he turned and shook his head. He grabbed me by the shoulder and this is what he said. Before you get on board this train, there's something you should know. When I finish with this tale, you might not want to go. I listened with amazement at what he said was true. And now, my friend, the time has come to tell this tale to you. Hear the legend of Thunder Mountain. If you're weak of heart, then stay away from the Thunder Mountain Railroad. Thunder Mountain Railroad, on away. It said as the legend has it, on one foggy night in June, the train and crew pulled out at 12 beneath the darkened moon. The boiler full of water and the tinder full of coal. The whistle screamed a warning as the wheels began to roll. Like a bucking bronco with a cougar on its back, the train began to run away down miles and miles of track. What happened to the crew that night, no one has ever learned. The train pulled in all by itself, the men did not return. Hear the legend of Thunder Mountain. If you're weak of heart, then stay away from Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. Thunder Mountain Railroad, run away. The history of Big Thunder continues to unfold. The stories of its danger continue to be told. Of avalanches, rattlesnakes, and earthquakes in the night, and voices of that phantom crew that chill your blood with pride. So please forgive me, mister, if I'm standing in your way. But before you buy your ticket, there's one thing I have to say.